In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use camera targets to refine motion and keep your point of interest in focus throughout an animation. It's a simple technique that makes a big difference. Here we are animating a camera without a target. We rotate around the subject, adding 3 keyframes at different points in the timeline. But as you'll notice in the preview, the point of interest gradually drifts out of the viewport center. It's a common issue and, luckily, an easy one to fix. Start by selecting the camera. Head to the Object Attributes and open the Constraints section. This is where we assign a target, telling the camera exactly what to focus on. Select Pick Target, then click on the feature you want the camera to track. Repeat the process of animating the camera, adding your keyframes as before. Now preview the animation. Notice how the camera is more focused. It stays locked onto the subject. Before rendering, remember to turn off visibility for the target object. Then render the video as you normally would. But wait, we're not done yet. You can animate the target itself. Select it, add a keyframe, then move the timeline indicator and reposition the target. Add another keyframe. Now the camera follows a dynamic point of interest, guiding the viewer through the scene. And that's it, a simple addition that brings clarity and control to your animations. Thanks for watching.